Searching for the best embroidery machines available on the market? You're in the right place. Today, we'll be delving into the world of embroidery machines, presenting you with the top 6 picks that have been carefully selected based on a set of criteria. We've considered factors such as ease of use, of features, value for money, and of course, user reviews. So, if you're ready to discover the best in the business, shall we dive right into the countdown, starting from number 6? And don't forget to subscribe, and check out the product links in the description below. At number 6, we have the Brother SE 700 sewing and embroidery machine. This nifty device is a 2-in-1 marvel, offering both sewing and embroidery capabilities. It's packed with over 100 built-in designs, allowing you to explore your creativity and personalize your projects. But if that's not enough, it also features a USB port, enabling you to import designs of your choice. What sets this machine apart is its user-friendly interface, making it a breeze even for beginners. Plus, its affordability is a cherry on top, making high-quality sewing and embroidery accessible to everyone. If you're a beginner looking for a versatile machine, the Brother SE 700 should be on your list. Moving on to number 5, we have the Singer SE 9180 embroidery machine. Known for its innovative features, this machine is a dream come true for craft enthusiasts. The automatic needle threader is a godsend, saving you from the usual eye-straining threading. With hundreds of built-in stitches at your disposal, you can dive into a world of limitless creative possibilities. The large embroidery area is another highlight, allowing you to work on larger designs with ease. But it's not just about features. The Singer C9180 is built to last. It's a workhorse, capable of high-speed sewing without compromising on the stitch quality. For those looking for a high-speed, durable machine, the Singer SE 9180 is a fantastic choice. Coming in at number 4, we present the Janome Memory Craft 500E embroidery machine. This marvel of engineering stands out with its large embroidery field, perfect for those intricate large-scale projects you've been dreaming about. The full-color LCD touchscreen is not just a pretty face, it allows you to edit designs right on screen with a touch of a button. Precision is the name of the game with the Janome Memory Craft 500E. Each stitch is expertly crafted, ensuring your designs come out with professional-grade quality every single time. Whether you're embroidering a delicate flower or a complex pattern, this machine handles it all with grace and precision. For those seeking professional quality results, the Janome Memory Craft 500E is a worthy contender. At number 3, we have the Brother Persona PRS 100 single needle embroidery machine. This marvel of embroidery technology boasts a single needle, ensuring incredibly precise stitching every time. But precision doesn't mean compromise on speed. The Brother Persona PRS 100 is known for its high-speed performance, delivering quick and efficient embroidery. And it doesn't stop there. Ever struggled with those difficult-to-reach areas on your crafts? The PRS 100's free arm embroidery feature comes to the rescue, making intricate designs on challenging locations a breeze. User-friendliness is another standout feature of this machine. The intuitive controls and easy-to-navigate interface earn it high customer ratings. If precision and flexibility are high on your list, the Brother Persona PRS 100 is a machine to consider. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Janome 001 MB7 multi-needle embroidery machine. This white beauty is a dream come true for craft enthusiasts, boasting a multi-needle feature that makes embroidery both fast and efficient. Imagine creating intricate designs at record speed. Its large embroidery area is an added advantage, allowing ample space for creativity to flourish. But it doesn't stop there. The Janome 001 MB7 can handle multiple thread colors simultaneously, meaning no more pausing to switch threads. This machine is known for its professional-grade performance, earning high praise from its users. It's not just a machine, it's an experience that transforms the ordinary into extraordinary. For those who want to take their embroidery to the next level, the Janome 001 MB7 is a superb choice. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Our top pick is the Smart Stitch S1501 commercial embroidery machine. This is no machine, it's a commercial-grade workhorse designed to deliver high-speed embroidery without compromising on quality. With its large embroidery, it gives you the freedom to create intricate and large-scale designs with ease. The Smart Stitch S1501 is also user-friendly, boasting a simple yet highly intuitive interface that makes it a joy to use. And let's not forget its reputation for durability, high customer satisfaction ratings. This machine is built to last and to impress. For those seeking the best of the best, the Smart Stitch S1501 is the ultimate choice. That concludes our countdown of the top 6 embroidery machines on the market. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect machine to meet your embroidery needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description below.